In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text size in Rentry. Now, the easiest way to do this is by using headers. So if you go to the bottom here and click on How, in here you can see you have headers. Now, this is one option. I'm going to show you a different one as well in a few seconds, but first I will demonstrate this. So you can use headers if I type in, for example, hello like this. If I go to preview, this is kind of the default size. Now I can go and put a hashtag in front of this, and as you can see, this is going to become a header. Of course, I can go and put two hashtags, and it's going to become a header number 2, just like this, as you can see, a little smaller, and then I can just keep going until I come to 6. So 6 of them can actually be done. So I have 6 right now. I'm going to put 3 over here. I'm going to put 4, and then 5, and then here I'm going to put on 6, okay? I go to preview. There we go. As you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. And if I go and do one more, as you'll see, there's not going to be any more because that's of course, the last one you can do is on 6. So those are basically one of the ways to actually change text size, which is quite convenient and easy to use and easy to remember. However, if you would like to change the entire text on your entire page, so if I just go ahead and paste hello a bunch of different times over here, and as you can see, it's now normal, I can go to metadata, example, and here at the bottom you can see content text size. So you can go ahead and copy this just like that. You can right click and copy, and you can go back to metadata, paste it in here, and when you paste it, you can go ahead and change the size of this text. So if I change this px over here from, for example, 16 to 25, you'll see that the size is actually going to adjust. Now, sometimes you may have to do it a bit more, so just like this over here. As you can see, there we go. Oops, it says that it's not because it has to go between 8 and 64. So I went a bit over here. So if I go 64, for example, and if I come back in here, it should actually change the size. Now, if it doesn't, these things are the ones you should be able to change as well. So for example, if I put this to like 4, you'll see that it's going to change text as well. There we go. And then you can go ahead and basically put this to 2. Now, there's a bunch of different things in here which you really don't have to kind of understand too much. You could go in depth and you could read the how over here, which in detail kind of explains how to do this. But essentially, all you have to know is that you can change these pixels over here and then this rem or rem over here, and that's going to essentially change it. Now, you can also play with these if you want to and kind of change them, but essentially, this is usually going to be the only thing you need to actually change the text size inside your Rentry. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.